If this has found you on November 17th, then this is your reading. This was meant to find you. This is your synchronicity from Spirit, I promise. So yesterday, I was in meditation and I got this image and it was of a corpse. I know it sounds kind of gruesome, but this is what Spirit showed me. And immediately I got the knowing of what the message was. And Spirit was saying, when you leave this earth, you're only taking your spirit with you. You're not taking your body. Your body is going to just rot away or turn to dust, right? Those are the two options. So Spirit's saying, a lot of you guys need to hear this because a lot of you guys are so focused on your physical appearance. You're letting your physical appearance define your value, your worth. And Spirit's saying, guess what? None of that will matter. This body, this physical appearance that you're so worried about is going to turn to dust and is going or will rot away. So what are you really doing? What are you working towards? What is end game for you? Because end game is that. So if you're worried about the way you look, you need to start going inward and fixing your spirit, okay? Because all you really have is your spirit. When you are doing things to fulfill your spirit, okay? I'm talking money. You know, Christmas is coming up, so think about what you're going to be giving people as well. When you spend your money to do things that light your spirit up, then that creates beauty because your spirit shines through that physical body and people can see how happy you are. People can see the light within you, and that's what makes you beautiful. A lot of you guys are thinking it's going to be the other way around. You think maybe if I get some Botox, maybe if I wear a certain amount of makeup, a special skin cream, maybe if I do this with my hair, maybe if I get this surgery, then I'll feel better. And Spirit's saying it's so backwards. It is so backwards. And you're doing all that for what? For your body to rot in the ground one day. Spirit's saying when you pass, all you'll have is your spirit. So what have you been doing to nurture your spirit? Okay? Because the funny thing is that when you do the work to heal your spirit and make sure your spirit's happy, the beauty will follow. Okay? I know it's cliche, but it is true. That's why people say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but also beauty is within. Let's pull some cards. I am seeing the Page of Cups with the Sun and the Knight of Wands. Okay, so with this message here, it just really makes me feel like you're finding this new sense of happy. You're coming out. You're ready to take some action, right? Ready to take some change. And Spirit saying maybe do things that light your spirit up with that change instead of doing physical changes first. Okay? Let me know if it resonates. I'll see you guys next time.